Hello everybody, in this how-to guide I'll tell you how EasyInput handles recording modes. EasyInput can serve two recording modes. One called Standard is based on batch input functionality, and the second one called Extended recording mode is connected to ECAT testing functionality. When using transaction recorder SHDB transaction, when you select a transaction, you can leave the options here as they are by default. This will result in a standard batch input recording. But if you want to record in the extended mode, you have to choose the CAT mode, CAT with individual screen control, and then two checkboxes, continuation after commit and not a batch input session. This will result in the extended mode recording. Extended mode is a bit more powerful than the standard mode, but it requires additional authorization in the SAP system, and also the ECAT has to be switched on the mandant level. So not in every system you will be able to use the extended mode. Extended mode is required when you want to read something via transaction EasyInput script from SAP. Remember that normally you should use standard mode and in some cases only the extended one. Most of the SAP transactions should be recorded with standard mode, but some, especially the HR transactions such as PA40, require extended mode to be recorded correctly. How are these two modes handled in EasyInput workbook? In EasyInput workbook, you can set the transaction mode on the transaction settings on the configuration worksheet. It's here, B or C, and sometimes in very rarely D, the old one, but it should not really be used. So B or C, standard and extended mode. But as EasyInput can serve several scripts in one EasyInput workbook, you can set it also for each script separately. It's here. So the setting here overrides the settings, the general settings on the configuration worksheet, and it can be done separately for each script. And sometimes when you have one script with several transactions, you may want to have this transaction operate in different modes. And if this is the case, you can set the transaction mode with more granularity. You can set it here. After the transaction ID, you can set B or C here. It will depict the transaction mode. Okay, thank you very much. Bye for now.